Hi, this is Andrea. This is a video to explain you how to start experimenting electroculture. And so for this reason, I created two starter kits. Very basic one. It's the house starter kit or home starter kit that includes the mold to make the spirals, small spirals and medium spiral that would be useful for plants to show how they can grow better, or you can make even antennas or make propagation in water. So you will use the spirals. You will see an example of a lakhowsky coil with spirals in order to put in place and to copy and to make more. And you will see with the pyramid, the copper pyramid, how to increase germination rate to have better plants with the pyramids. In the kit is included also a compass to position the pyramid and some seeds to experiment immediately. If you have a garden or an orchard, or you are an horticulturist, you can use the vegetable garden starter kit that includes, apart pyramids, lakhowsky coil, and the spirals. It includes also the antennas, the antenna that can be put in place for horticulture or for plants, and the magnetic antenna. So with these two devices, you can experiment and you can make more experience. And apart the solution, the 5 solution for the garden or the 3 solution for the house, it is included the ebook that is describing how to use exactly step by step every single device, lakhowsky ring, magnetic antenna, the lighting rod, and the pyramid. And then you have access to all the information like tutorial, video, pictures, how to put in place your devices. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoy the ElectroCulture and welcome in this galaxy to start making more experimental together. Ciao.